If may restaurant kayo na dapat yung kainan dito sa SM Podium, na I swear, wala talagang palya. And one of the few restaurants that serve brothless ramen. As in, they never miss talaga when it comes to taste, and parati din silang puno kapag lunch time. Minsan talaga, masisoba ang hanap ko kesa sa ramen. Lalo na ngayon na kahit pa December na, pero ang init pa din. Kaya buti na lang, I have Menya Kokoro, and ilang beses na ako nakakain dito. Very popular chain sila sa Japan. And ito pag hindi nyo pa natatry ang brothless ramen ng Menya Kokoro, promise you're missing out. For me, ang pinaka no-brainer order here is the Tokyo Masesoba. So good, thick and chewy noodles, umami in every slurp, balanced by the egg. But a good option if you want something more creamier and probably more familiar sa taste bud. Go for their truffle kasi it's like eating your favorite carbonara pero may umami. Creamy and savory na may saktong truffle taste na hindi na ako overwhelmed pero lasa mo pa din. My personal go-to favorite order here is the Zenbu kasi it has everything na pero parang lume-level na yung unagi masesoba. So you get that smoky and sweet barbecue taste from the unagi. Itong mga masesobas though can get too rich lang. So yung konbu vinegar yung pinaka magandang pang-balance. And siguro reason why mas nagustuhan ko yung unagi this time. Mas palalo if you actually leave room for rice. Tapos you scoop with all the leftovers, super satisfying. Side orders, you can actually get yakitoris as well. Ang sarap din ng cheese gyoza. In fairness, ang sarap ng combination ng gyoza and cheese. Nothing really super special sa karage. Standard, but I would actually skip next time. Pero you should not miss out on their tempura. So you get a huge chunk of tempura. Snap pa rin yung tempura when you bite into it, and flaky din yung mismong batter. As usual, Menya Kokoro did not disappoint. And if naghahanap kayo ng sure na masarap na kakainan sa SM Podium, kasi trust na makakaasa ko kay Menya Kokoro. Ichoy!